So with us is Miss Jyotsna Dawar, Lecturer Director of Directorate of Education, Government of City of Delhi. Welcome to BW Business World, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Your session is about from classes to careers, how to nurture 21st century skills in students. So, what role? What were your key takeaways from this session, ma'am?
First of all, thank you very much for the opportunity. I am grateful to Business World, especially Dr. Anurag Batra and all the esteemed members of Business World, and to you, Mr. Ashish, for giving me this opportunity. All the sponsors, especially, who make this all possible. The esteemed audience who had the patience to hear us out. So my topic was, how do we take this, the schools to from classrooms to the 21st century skills, so that the students can make a good career in future. So my key takeaways were that the students have to be made to realize that simply by rote learning, simply by the contents given in the textbooks, it's not possible to make careers. To make careers, they have to go to to the fields, to do some nice joyful learning, where somebody mentioned that from the grasses to the or from the soil to the plates. How can they make this possible? So some schools are doing that. They are making the children, the students, go to the fields, make them sow seeds, and eventually see their seeds grow into plants, fruits, and consume those fruits. So I think these are beautiful concepts. Even the Delhi government has come up with schools like schools of specialized excellence, wherein the students are given hands-on training on how to run coding courses on beauticians and tailoring and many other things. So I think we are doing a wonderful job with the Delhi government. Some Deshbhakti curriculum has also been started in our department, wherein we give the value systems to the students, wherein give the Deshbhakti values, so that they also take their nation from the, look at the nation with pride and work for the nation. So all these new things that are being undertaken by the Directorate of Education are making the students of today ready for tomorrow and ready for the careers.
So, my first question to you is, how can education system worldwide better prepare students for rapidly evolving job market and emerging industries?
So, as somebody mentioned in our panel, that simply by learning sine theta, cos theta, children are not getting prepared for jobs. So, what they are supposed to perform in the jobs should be a part of it has to be taught in the classrooms. So that's what we are doing these days. The schools have been updated, the teachers have been trained, and we are teaching the students what careers they have to follow in futures.
My second question is, what measures can be implemented to promote inclusivity and diversity in educational settings and ensuring equitable opportunities for students?
So, see, what the Delhi government is doing is that it is going to the slums. It is getting students from the slums. Those children who are ignored, who have never come to school. They are even educating the parents. That the parents have to send the children to the schools, and to keep the students occupied in the schools, they are giving opportunities like many counseling sessions are there. There are EVGCs who take care of their mental health. Then free lunches are being distributed, which are sponsored by some nice societies. So free uniforms are being given. So all these things, they make the students from the slums, from the children from the slums, come to the schools, because they have a carrot in front of them, and the teachers are no more those harsh teachers. I passed out in 1982, and I remember that caning was a regular practice in my school. I'll not mention the school. And we everybody thought that danda lagayenge to kuch banega. You leave the child and he becomes a brat. So those were old times. These days, teachers and the other educators, the principals, the heads of the school, they are at par. They are, they have the empathy for the children. They understand what the child wants from the school. It's not just book reading that they want. They want that when they go out of the classroom, they should be able to, fit in to that block. It's like a block which they fit in. And also we are coming up with some new games in the classrooms which makes the student think and explore. So all these things are happening in the schools these days.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.